What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are we doing today, Jordan?
Going offshore with the boys. Let's go get it. We're going out to Mexican Pride, which is a wreck, common wreck. Everyone knows it. Going to start with some yellowtail, hopefully tuna, probably get in some AJs. Should be fun.
Let's go. We got the lazy angler on board.
Let's go.
We got Ruby. We got Lightning Capital Living. Kyle, what's going on? Thanks for having us on board today.
Absolutely. We're gonna go get some bait at the Skyway. Hopefully it's as slick as it is back here. Quick one throw. And we're gonna go chum up some snapper. Maybe stuff for some hogfish in the way if we get bored.
And some tuna, hopefully.
Oh, I'd love to see a tuna.
Yeah. What's going on, Jack?
What's going on?
There's Jack. Let's get some fish. Pre-gaming. All right, we gotta run and get some bait. Get offshore.
Bunch of those today.
Bunch of sea dogs on the boat today.
Bunch of sea dogs.
Beautiful morning. What we got, Jordan? Got a mango? We got a yellowtail?
Down with them.
Yeah, use it.
Can't be stated enough how much I don't want to get into it.
No.
Oh, no.
Oh, nice flip.
Let him drop up the line on the big rig real quick. Okay.
What do you got?
He was big.
Crazy rig?
Ryan, you're keeping all the empanadas?
Yeah, might as well. I want all the empanadas. And whatever he done. Actually, I didn't bring a fucking cooler.
I got 10 out of them last time. That was cool.
All right, guys, let's get out to the wreck. Just got a nice scamp on the slow pitch, but he's about an inch short, so he's gone.
Yep. All right, I'm going super light.
You won't super light.
Hey, you won't do it. This is Ryan in his natural habitat.
Snag. Caught the wreck.
There's no fish. You're not going to catch fish like that, bud.
This is the special technique.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You put everything in the wreck, and then you just pull the whole wreck up itself.
That's what I'm doing. I'm pulling the wreck closer.
Holy cow. There it goes. Good job, bud.
Man.
First spot we're gonna stop is 4.5 miles.
Alright guys, we tried the Mexican Pride. It didn't work out. You could check in Kyle's video for an update on that. But we went a little north. We're gonna try for what's some APs?
We got them back here in September.
Yeah, September. They got some APs here. Yellowtails.
I caught a 20-inch hog here.
Damn. Yeah.
There's nothing here. It sucks. The spot's the worst.
So we're gonna see how that goes.
Terrible.
Stay tuned.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Get over how nice it is out here. 40 miles offshore. I feel like you walk across the water right now. Shrimp on a jig head. See what happens.
So we just
I'm thinking I was attached to you.
we just changed spots again, and
And this is what
as
happens.
soon as Mike dropped his bait down,
I think I got the little one though.
we saw some AJs
100%.
coming at his bait, but they kind of swam off. So
Yeah, they swam off till I started ripping it up.
how many lines you got out right here, Doug?
You got more lines than the Paulus.
I got a flat line out.
The good news is he's kind of fixing my drag. I've heard it a few times. This drag hasn't worked in months. This is not a very big one. Jack might have a big one. Yep, I got the baby one. On my 10 to 17 red line, muscling them up. I'm glad I got the baby. I was about to be real pissed.
Not really fighting like an AJ.
Sea dogs.
This isn't really.
Now that you had your drag dial in,
Yeah, it's down in. It feels pretty heavy. Big scamp.
that'd be awesome.
It was like on the bottom.
Oh, I see your jig there. I thought it was.
Big gag?
I don't think so. He's still really. That one.
Yeah. I'll get you a live action.
Did you upgrade or you still got an AJ?
All right, guys. The slow pitch jig.
No. Get in the freaking frame with it.
If these guys were in season, you keep it right there.
Yeah, I got a yellow jig on this guy.
The slow pitch.
That's a good one.
That was fun.
Didn't look fun.
I'll take one of them. Another one hits it, I won't be too happy.
That one hits, just pass it off. Ruby, you look like you're on. Your shit's swimming left.
Stop.
Oh, yeah,
All right, let's see what's going on the front of the boat. Oh yeah, there. Told you you're on. What you got going on?
I can't move him. I'm at his mercy. He's going over here.
Careful, there.
That's a gooder one.
Yeah.
Send him back.
Oh, nothing the rod with it.
Slams it into the MVP rod.
Googans. Season 3 MVP rod. Just get no respect.
No respect.
No respect. Oh shit, am I tangled up with that? What's happening up there?
I can't stop.
You got the whole front of the boat to yourself. Can you land this fish? You have 10-pound test. Muscle him.
Hey, Jack, you want to try this rod out? No, I don't want to try the rod. No. I don't want to drop a bait.
All right, this is so you can sync your footage together.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, sync.
There you go.
Now we know you can sync it together so your audio can cut back and forth.
I was trying to catch a yellowtail.
How'd that work out for you?
50-pound African pompano. It's fine. I'm okay with it.
50 pounders. Hey, you never know.
He's finally done, so I'm actually getting line back on him now.
Alright, I'm working double duty right now. This doesn't fit in with my lazy angler name, but
I need a break.
caught a couple AJs. I'm laughing at people that are catching them now. Yeah, I forgot I still have a rod. They're probably gonna eat that.
You're on.
That's not mine.
Is that down? Shit. Oops. There he is.
yeah, another good one. We have to bring it back a little for landing them.
That's probably another keeper.
Don't worry.
Andy's basically out of sight. We'll check in with you in about a half hour.
I think they gotta be 36.
Fighting big fish is fun, but man, it's a workout. Come on. Are you done yet?
Hopefully there's only a couple inches.
Dude, this video is gonna get flagged for erotic for how much I'm grunting. Oh, here he is. I got him at the leader.
Notice how your partner in crime just put his camera down and said, screw you.
Where's that little gap? I'm not gonna be able to reach it.
I'll walk him down.
I don't know where it is.
Dude,
The lip cap?
this guy's exhausted. Can't reach from there.
There you go. Let's see if I can keep him. Do you want him for a picture or anything?
Go ahead.
I was saying because I could just pop it out right here. You want a picture? I got him.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
That's a big one. That's a PB though.
That's a good one. That's your new PB?
Yeah.
Oh, you might as well take a picture.
Take a picture. Oh, if I don't drop him.
Yeah, I was gonna say he's gonna get dropped for sure now that you decided.
He's the one.
There you go.
Film your friend. I got him. There you go. Nice one.
Boom.
Another big AJ.
Hey, 20, 25 pounder.
Yeah. Get him back.
All right. See you later, buddy.
And he's gone.
Throwing him right into the chum net.
into the chum net, like literally.
Yeah, slow pitching's fun. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, I stole your rod because I broke mine off.
I think what concerns me is when the freaking AJs are looking at it and then he's on the way down and he's taking one rod.
My old Addison Asian man taught me that when I was a young one. He said, one man, one rod. You miss too many fish. You miss too many rods.
I didn't think there was a fish on it. Pump it up. Oh, perfect. Unless that was a yellowtail or a mango.
How we doing on this?
Ryan, every fish in Los Buzos is gonna feel like this. Holy cow, that's a giant right there.
That setup feels really good too. I actually
Yeah,
really like that real man that I got to
Yeah.
on a bigger fish.
It's killing it. I kind of want to try mine, but I don't feel like tying on a new leader. There he is.
Need a big one. Drop one of those.
Dude, the day I caught the tuna last year around this time, it was littered with AJs and tuna were just following it up.
Look at keep catching the smaller one. Look, all the ones around it are big.
Yeah, I can see him all in the throw. Coming up under him.
Dude, you can put a lot of pressure on this reel and rod. It's nice.
I'll do it for the footage.
Just lipping them like man. That's cool. Ryan's flying the drone up there and helping land this AJ at the same time. Oh shoot. Oh, it's gonna get hit. No! I was not ready for another one.
What you gotta do is send it that way and just reel it in fast across the
Let me
top.
see if I can get him to get the hit on the drone.
Yeah, reel that thing on top of the water.
Yeah, reel.
We'll be right back.
That's a keeper hoggy. You want a net?
Yeah, maybe it's not.
Oh, be a pansy. Just flip that little guy in
Look,
there.
see, look,
You just
it's
lose
gone.
him?
Yeah.
I thought we were getting the net.
Dude, that was like a 17-inch hog.
I kept him in the water. I was
we
waiting
didn't
for the
need those
net.
points.
What's our biggest fish?
Oh, get him, Ruby, get him!
100%.
Oh.
Rogers break.
The fish is still on there, too.